Hi, I'm Rachel, and I'm going to show you how to use the straps with clasps to help keep your pillow system together throughout the night. We're going to start by putting a strap on the bottom of the pillow system, right on the edge here. And you bring it to the other side. And you do the same thing right over here. And as you can see, that will hold the two sides together and it will not move at all throughout the night. I can guarantee it. You do the same thing in the middle of the pillow system and you do the same thing at the top of the pillow system. Once you have all three straps on, then you're going to flip it over so that the straps are on the bottom. This is important because you definitely don't want to have the straps against your body throughout the night. There we go. And they will stay in place. Now what I'm going to do is put the head pillow on. And I'm going to show you how you get in and out and that they don't move.